Installing the intake manifold, it's already done. Had to go back and cut this one off because the new throttle body already has it on the side. It's right there. Right now, torquing them down to spec. And we're done right there. Alright, intake manifold is in. Cables are all plugged up. Throttle body, I have to figure something out. This is just too... There's like literally no type of... it's too floppy, like there's literally no tension on it. So everything's done. I have to get a new airflow sensor, since the one I have won't work because it's a K&N. I'm not going to tear that one apart just to make it work. I'd rather sell it for 180. And then since I have a Hydro Boost now, I deleted this. Well, I'm using the vacuum line that used to go to the brake booster, and I made it into the PVC valve so it can suck up air right there, as you guys can see. So we're done right here with the wiring there. Got to clean up that nest of wires. I connected a harness for the oil temperature right there in the back. I guess that's what it is, the oil temp in the back of the motor. So I gotta hook that up, and then, or I don't know what it is, but I'll figure that out. I gotta clean up all these wires right here. And then next step is making the power steering pump hoses, the lines. Put the starter on. What was the other thing? Well, yeah, connect the wires that go where they go. Connect the starter wires and whatnot. And then I gotta go after that. What I gotta do next? What do we gotta do next? Pretty much after that, I think it's just connecting all the wires in the inside before I put the dash. So I'm getting closer, guys, little by little. Alright, today I got myself into a sticky situation. Gotta clean up all this wiring, all this hack wiring. Don't know what most of it is, but doesn't look anything good, especially I think this was an oil pressure sensor, but a lot of these are rotted away. So I gotta clean up a lot of this today. And I remember this is the one they were trying to use for the alternator, this brown one, in order for it to charge up. So I don't know, I got a lot of homework to do. I gotta look at diagrams and figure out what goes to where and how to put it and what I gotta eliminate. It's a lot of work to do, especially for my first time working on a G-body, not knowing what cable goes to what. I mean, I've seen a couple of videos and whatnot. I mean, but look at how bad these things look. Wish me luck. Alright. Want to give a big shout out to the homie Shorty. Me estaba explicando how to do the wiring and everything. Gracias. And also to the homie Chet. I'll tag both of them. If you guys need any LS swap, any motor help, they're the people to hit up. You guys should know who they are already. But I appreciate both of their helps. So I already got this This is for the starter. This is the, I already had this one myself, starter. This one goes to the, he said this one's a coil for the coils. I guess this one went to the distributor. And then I also have, ya me explicó, the dark green one over here is the oil pressure. Oh no, temperature pressure. This light brown, it is oil pressure. And this one right here, I don't need it. I think he said this one was for the freak smog something. This one is for, so this one is the one I gotta hook up to this one right here. This is for the oil pressure sending unit in the back. So I gotta hook this up to a 12 volt. This goes to a regular ground. So we're good. And there was one more. Where's the other one? So I gotta put these back on this side over here. I have one more. Where's that small dark brown? Oh, and this 1, 2, 3. I'm missing a small dark brown, which is this one. He said I don't need this one either, or he doesn't know which one this one was. It's a small dark brown. Might be black, but it looks brown. So I gotta test this one out. I don't know what this is. But other than that, I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go pick up my son and then I'm gonna finish this up. Alright, I'm over here in a freaking wire nest. But I got most of it in there. I'm missing a couple of things. I think I got this one wrong. That one says lights because on the, it was going and it had the little light symbol on the dash, but it wants me to hook it up to the high beams. So the high beams are somewhere in here, I believe. But I don't know. I'll fix that once I connect everything. And over here, I'm still doing a brake signal. Oh, I missed the E. Brake signal. Park neutral signal. And fan 1 and fan 2. And this one, it says brown for that. But what's funny is that I can't tell. There's supposed to be a tan color one, but they both look brown to me. But I'm missing a tan color for the oil pressure lead. So I don't know where that one's at, unless I'm colorblind now. And one of these is tan, not brown. But other than that, I think I got it all set. This one over here, this pink one, let me see, what is this one for? This one goes connected to the battery, constant power. This brown one right here is a service engine one. Let's see if it wants to focus. Service engine, which is one of these, and I think it's going to be one of the ones that I don't know if it's a ground or a power, but I'm almost there. Tomorrow, maybe tomorrow or Friday, I'll get in here and start wiring it up real good. And then once everything's wired, I'll hook up a battery, make sure everything works just fine. But for right now, I think I'm done. I'm exhausted. I followed each one of these leads that went into the cluster. So I know one of these is going to be, I think 3 of them are the ones that I couldn't tell which one was what. And I believe it was this pink one right here. I believe it's this pink one. Yeah, because I got these. And I think one of these right here, one of these 2 right here in this part. But I'm going to look at a diagram and see what can I find.